Hello friends, welcome back to another video of this channel. Today in this video, I'll talk about one of the AI tool that is available in the market right now, which is VIDU AI, VIDU. In this video, I'll show you what are the things you can do from this AI. Then you can use this app or AI as per your need. So first go to the Google and type VIDU. Then this website will come, which is here right now. And then just click on that. Then this dashboard will come through. Here on the top, there is a three lines. Just click on that. Then there is the services that you can use from this AI, which is one reference to video, another one image to video, and another one is text to video. And also you can choose the templates as well. So let's go and choose the templates. Here you can use so many templates which is given to you. For example, you can use the craft old animated me, same like a Ghibli image. You can use a push in, French kiss, balloon me, tiny me. So I'll show you how to use these templates as well. So for example, French kiss. Here you have to upload a two single photo of the person or one photo with the two people. Then you can just click on the create and the photo will be created as template says, like kissing one. Similarly, you can use other templates as well, like fly me, hug, take me, carry. You can be a new captain as well. You can make a wording as well. So based on the templates as per your need, you can make the AI videos. Now let's go and choose another one, which is reference to video. Here in this reference to video, you can upload one or two images and give a prompt, whatever you want to create. For example, here it is already written that upload one or more characters, objects, or scenes as references. Describe the content you want to generate. So upload one or two images that you have in the phone. Then go to the settings. Then choose the duration, choose the resolution, and then choose the ratio, whatever you want to pick it up. If you want to put in the YouTube, then choose 16:9, or if you want to go for the Instagram reels or TikTok reels, then go for the 9:16. Then click on create. I have already created one of the reference to video, which is this one. I'll just quickly open and show it to you. So this is the two images that I uploaded in the reference to video. One is the old man with the football and another one is the old woman with the football. And I have given a prompt saying image one old man playing football with image two old men and showing each other skills. And I have to the duration, is resolution and the aspect ratio, which is 9:16. And the video is generated here right now. Similarly, you can use other services as well. For example, image to video. So for that, just upload the image and give the content you want to generate. Choose the setting and click on create. And also you can use text to video, enter the text and choose the setting and create the video. So nowadays you can create image to video or text to video or upload two, three images. Then you can give a reference what you want to do. The AI tools are so simply and easy to use nowadays. So you can create any images or videos based on your need. I hope this video is helpful for you and you know about VIDU AI. If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. I will definitely reach back to you. Thank you. I'll see you in another video. Bye.